Case study question number 4. India is competitive manufacturing location due to the low cost of manpower and strong technical and engineering capabilities, contributing to higher quality production runs. The production of TV sets in a factory increases uniformly by a fixed number every year. It produces 16,000 sets in the 6th year and 22,600 in the 9th year. Find the production during the first year. It means that we need to get value of A. But let us first write down what information they have given us. They said production in the 6th year. That means 6th term is given. A6, which is equal to 16,000, and A9, which is equal to 22,600. With the help of this one, we'll try to get the first term. So here A6 means A plus 5D, which is equal to 16,000, and A9 means A plus 8D, which is equal to 22,600. Okay, so now what we'll do, we have two equations, we'll subtract them. So as I subtract them, see what happens? Every sign will get changed. A and A got cancelled. This is minus 3D, which is equal to, subtraction of this one will come as minus 22,600 minus 16,000. So it is 6,600. So the value of D will come as minus 6,600 divided by minus 3. So it is, cancel this negative sign, 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 2s are, 0 and 0. So the common difference came as 2200. Right? Now this value I will substitute in equation 1. So let me see the equation 1 here. A plus, they said 5D, which is equal to 16,000. This is our first equation. Into this I'll substitute the value of D, which is 2200 here, which is equal to 16,000. Now A plus, this is 0, 0, 5 2s are 10, 1 carry, 10 and 1, 11, 11,000 here. So obviously the value of A comes as 5,000, right? Because 16,000 minus 11,000. So first term, production in the first year, you can say, is 5,000 sets. See the second one. In which year the production is 29,200. That means nth term they have given us An, which is equal to 29,200. Nth term formula we know, A plus n minus 1 into D, which is equal to 29,200. A just now we found, which is 5,000 plus n minus 1. Value of D is 2,200, which is equal to 29,200. 5,000 will send that side and we'll multiply this bracket with 2,200. So n into 2,200 here, or we can keep it for some time. N minus 1 into 2,200, which is equal to 29,200 minus 5,000. So it comes as 24,200. Now this 2,200 I will send that side to divide. So n minus 1, which is equal to 24,200 divided by 2,200. Cancel the zeros here. Now 22 ones are, 2 is here, 22 ones are. So we got n minus 1, which is equal to 11, n which is equal to 12, because minus 1 will go that side, right? So in 12th year, the production will become what? 29,200. Third question. Find the difference of the production during 7th year and 4th year. That means they want to find out the difference. So A7 minus A4 we need to do. Correct. So here A7 formula we know, A plus 6D minus A4 is A plus 3D. Remember negative sign, so give the bracket. Now open the bracket. A plus 6D minus A minus 3D. minus A plus A cancelled. We got 3D. 3 into value of D is 2200, which is equal to 6600. Correct? This is the difference of the production in the 7th year and 4th year. Find the production during the first 7 years. They said first 7 years. That means from starting till the 7th year. That means we need to find out sum of 7 terms. So here 7 by 2 in the bracket 2A. Right. So value of A is 5000. So 5000 into 2 is 10,000 plus n minus 1. That means 7 minus 1 is 6. And into D. D is 2200. Okay. So here 7 by 2 in the bracket, this 10,000 as it is, plus 22 into 6. So it will come as 132 and these 2 zeros. Now we'll add it. So the addition comes as 13,000. This is 10,000. So 23,200. And now we'll divide it. 7 by 2. Acha, here only I'll show you the division. 1 second. 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 six are, and then these 2 zeros here. So into 116, these 2 zeros, which comes as 81,200. Right? So this is the production in the first 7 years. Case study based question 5. In a class, the teacher asks every student to write an example of AP. Two friends, Geeta and Madhuri, writes their progression as -5, -2, 1, 4 and so on, and 187, 184, 181 and so on, respectively. Now, the teacher asks various students of the class the following questions on these two progressions. Help students to find the answer of these questions. Two APs they have given us, one by Geeta and one by Madhuri. So already it is written here. Geeta has given this first AP, -5, -2, 1 and 4. From there we can make out first term is -5 and the value of D is 3. Now look at the second one. AP is given by Madhuri, 187, 184, 181. So from there we can make out A is 187 and D is -3. Okay. Now let us see the question. They said find the 34th term of the progression written by Madhuri. So here I need to get 34th term. So I'll write down A 34, but remember for Madhuri they are saying. So A plus 33D. So A is 187 plus 33D. Value of D is here -3. Okay. So which is 187 minus 99, which comes as 88. So we got the 34th term of Madhuri's AP. Come to the second question. Find the sum of the common difference of two progressions. See, common difference here. This is +3. This is -3. So the answer of the second question will be 0. So here I'll just write down 3 minus 3, which comes as 0. Now, third question. Find the 19th term of the progression written by Geeta. So already I have written here AP, which is given by Geeta, but I need to get 19th term, A19, which is equal to A plus 18D. A plus 18D, which is equal to A is -5 plus 18 into 3, which is equal to -5 plus 18 threes are 54. So this is 54 and we get the answer as 49. Right? Now find the sum of the first 10 terms of the progression. That means S10 I need to find out. So let me just write down here only S10. So here 10 by 2 in the bracket 2A. Value of A is given -5. So it is -3. 10 plus 9D. 9 and value of D is 3. Okay, so this is 3. So this is 5, 2 ones are and 2 5s are. Inside the bracket, minus 10 plus 27, which is equal to 5 into 17. And 17 5s are 85. 85. So the sum of the first 10 terms of Gita's AP is 85. Which term of the two progressions will have the same value? So I can say nth term of Gita's progression and nth term of Madhuri's progression will have the same value. So I'll write down nth term from first AP. Nth term of first AP, which is equal to nth term of second AP. Okay? So here in the formula A is minus 5 plus n minus 1 and D is 3, which is equal to A is 187 here plus n minus 1 and here D is minus 3, remember here minus 3. So this is minus 5 plus 3n minus 3, which is equal to 187 plus, now minus 3 into n, it will be minus 3n. Minus 3 into minus 1 is plus 3. Okay. Now see what happens. This 3n minus 8, which is equal to minus 3n plus 190. Now minus 3n, I'll bring it here. It will become 6n, which is equal to 198, because this minus 8 will go that side. So n, which is equal to 198 divided by 3. Not 3, it is 6. So 6 ones are, 6 threes are, and 6 threes are. N, which is equal to 33. So 33rd term of both the APs will be equal. Case study based question number 6. Amit was playing a number card game. In the game, some number cards having both positive or negative numbers are arranged in a row such that they are following an arithmetic progression. On his first turn, Amit picks up 6th and 14th card and finds their sum to be minus 76. On the second turn, he picks up 8th and 16th card and finds their sum to be minus 96. Based on the above information, answer the following questions. See here, I have written the information. Sum of the 6th and 14th term is minus 76 and sum of 8th and 16th term is minus 96. This information is given. Now look at the first question. What is the difference between the numbers on any two consecutive cards? Now I need to get the D. Okay. So what I will do here, I'll write down A6. That means A plus 5D plus A14. So A plus 13D, which is equal to minus 76. So 2A plus 18D, which is equal to minus 76. Now see, all the coefficients are divisible by 2. So I can reduce it. A plus 9D, which is equal to minus 2 3s are and 2 8s are. This is our first equation. Okay. Now come to the second AP here. Now they are saying sum of the sum of the 8th term and 16th term. So that means A plus 7D plus A plus 15D, which is equal to minus 96. So here minus 96. So 2A plus, now 7 and 15, 22D, which is equal to minus 96. Once again, I will divide this equation by 2. So it comes as A plus 11D, which is equal to minus. Now, if divide by 2 to this minus 96, it comes as minus 48. 8, right? Now this is equation 2. I need to get value of D. So what I will do, I will subtract both the equations. So A plus 9D, which is equal to minus 38, and A plus 11D, which is equal to minus 48. As I am doing the subtraction, I will change the sign of every term. See, this and this got cancelled. Now what is left here? Minus 2D. So minus 2D, which is equal to plus 10. So value of D, which is equal to 10 by minus 2, which comes as minus 5. So I got the common difference between the two consecutive terms, right? Here, what is the number on the first card? That means I need to get the value of A. Already I wrote equation 1 and 2. So I'll substitute the value of D in equation 1. So what happens here? Let me write down first equation 1. A plus 9D, which is equal to minus 38, right? In the previous sum we got, na? Now value of A here as it is 9, value of D, which came as minus 5, and here minus 38. So A minus 45, which is equal to minus 38. So A, which is equal to minus 38 plus 45. So A, which is equal to 7. I got the value of A, first term. Okay. Now see, what is the number on the 19th card? It means that A19 I need to find out. So A plus 18D. So A first term is 7 plus 18 and D is minus 5. So here 7 minus 18 5s are 90, which comes as 83, but minus 83. Okay. So the number on the 19th card is what? Minus 83. What is the sum of the numbers on the first 15 cards? That means S15 we need to find out. So n by 2 means 15 by 2, 2a. 2 value of a is 7 plus n minus 1. 15 minus 1 is 14 and value of d is minus 5. See what happens now? 15 by 2 as it is. This is 14 plus 14 5s are 70, but minus 70 here. Now here 15 by 2 subtraction is here 56, but minus 56. 2 1s are, 2 2s are, and 2 8s are. So here 15 into minus 28, and our answer comes as minus 420. Okay, so the sum of the 15 cards, first 15 cards, is minus 420.